Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so wonderful. May God bless each and every one of you. If you are new to my channel, you are much welcome. Please consider subscribing and enable notification. So guys, today's video I'll be showing you how to make soybean powder using this soybean seed. I bought it from Arab shop. You can check any African shop around you or any Asian shop. I think they will have it as well. So the first thing I will be doing is to cut it and put inside a bowl and wash it. Forget that I'm using electric kettle to pour in the water. This water is directly from the tap. So guys, I will just put in some cold water and use it to wash it and rinse it very well. Remember to rinse it 2 or 3 times before moving on to the next step. Then after that, I will throw out the water and add the fresh water to it. I will be adding enough water guys, because I will be using the water to soak it, and these beans can rise very well, so I will add enough water to enable it to rise. After adding the water, I will leave it and come back the following day. As you can see, it has increased in the size. I think it has tripled in the size, and the back has beginning to fall off. That's the peel. The peel is now separating from the soybean. So guys, I will sieve out the water now to enable me to wash it very well. So what I will be doing now is to rub it with both of my fingers so that the peels will come out very well. This doesn't take much time to achieve because the beans is already soft. I think it took me less than 5 minutes to separate the peels from the beans. I will just be repeating the same process till all the peels have fallen off from the beans. As you can see me doing in the video, just watch what I'm doing. Once you finish rubbing it with your palms, you add enough water, and after that you rinse out the beans. Then only the peels will come out inside the sieve. Now I'm done washing the soya bean. As you can see, it's looking so clean, and this is the chaff that I got from it. Now we move on to the next step. Because I'm doing this during winter, there is no sun here. I'll be drying it with my oven. So what I'm doing now is to spread it on top of my tray. Then after that, I will pop it inside my oven and use low heat to dry it. Here I used 100 degrees Celsius to dry this soybean for at least an hour. But as you are drying yours, keep on checking it. Once it's dry enough, you bring it out from the oven like so. I'm just waiting for it to cool down a bit before I move on to the next step, which is frying it. Now it's okay for me to start frying it because it has cooled down. So I will use my frying pan and fry it for a while. Less than 5 minutes guys, because I'm frying on a low heat. Once the color has turned to golden brown, I will take it out. Then I will finish up with the remaining soya bean before we move on to the next step, which is grinding it. I will spread it inside this tray so that it will cool down so quickly, because I can't wait to have a taste of this soya bean. Now I will start grinding it using my crops blender. Blend till you get a powdered consistency before you sieve it out. You can use cheesecloth to sieve out your soya bean if you don't have this type of sieve. Once I'm done sieving it out, I will not throw out the chaff. I will still blend it again at last and sieve it out again, because I know that I will still bring out more soya bean from it. Then after that, I will store it in a dry container. Soybean powder has a lot of health benefits, and there are so many ways to use it. You can sprinkle it on top of your salad, your yogurt. You can as well drink it like this, adding only hot water, or you can put it inside your pap, and children can as well eat it. It stays for years, nothing happens to it. So guys, this is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video helpful, please give this video thumbs up. Remember to share out the video, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and enable notification. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.